Alright, it's so hot out here. I think the heat index is like 108. Oh, I'm talking to the camera over here. We flipped the coop frame. We scrubbed it down. But while we're waiting for the other side to dry, before I flip it, change the color on this. Okay. Decided to do this before we close it off again. But yeah, that's what we got done. Not perfect because we're getting hot and tired and we want to end the day. And get it done. But yeah. This sun is killing me so bad. It's even better with black sleeves on. I have these, you can get them on Amazon. They're like cooling sleeves. Even in black, they're cooler than getting the sun beating on you. My arm's just burnt. Here's what we did in the coop. Let's see. Gotta get that off. Oh, we're gonna put an automatic door. We'll look at that in a minute. We did not have time to do everything. It was starting to get dark and we gotta go to work tomorrow. But we were able to at least do the paint job. And I did this a while back. I don't know if I did the finished product. I had to, this is temporary. I had to double back because there's a hole in there. Gotta get a new one I can just put there. But yeah, there we go.